Hey guys, Craig here, aka the Terminator, and you may be wondering why I've been gone for so long. Well, I went on holiday for 2 weeks. It's just really complicated. Also, I decided I'm going to change my channel for a good while, and that's been complicated. I can't really decide on what I want to be, like this vlogger, there's just a lot of stuff. What debating if I want to be as a gamer. But I got a drawing tablet, and I'm doing an unboxing video. So yeah, let's do this. Already looking good. Even though it's just a part of the box, it's already looking good. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you what we're unboxing. We're unboxing the Huion H320M box. H320M Creative Pen Tablet. It has two sides, which is really neat. Runs off a battery that can last for and it can last for five years. It's said. At least that's what they claim. Can't wait to see if it actually works. Ooh, double side usable. 228.6 by 142.9 millimeter active area. Ooh, this is so really good. I mean, I just love this. This thing looks awesome just by the box. Can't wait to open it. I hate these stupid stickers. They're always so annoying. Ah! And almost got it. Hey, do you want to know what the worst part is? I'm recording with my phone, so I can't pause it. Wait, let me just check if I can. Oh no, I can't too. Although I can't do it on my mom's phone, which is really annoying. So any video like the Untitled one that you see me pause, that you see is suddenly cut, is me using my mom's phone. Anyway, so now we're finally through that godforsaken tape. Here it is. Can't wait to unbox it. Oh! Look at this. They're so nice. Thank you for choosing Huion. They're so nice. Thank you for choosing Huion. Our goal is for you to be 100% happy with your new Huion product. If you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us and we shall be glad to help you in every way possible. Get your Huion warranty and more. Register your product, blah 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 blah. I really like this. This is nice. Okay. My warranty card, I will keep that. And finally, all the stuff that we need. Now look at this. Look at this fancy smancy thing. Looks a bit marked. What the? Look at this. It's so fancy. It's just so fancy. Whoa. You can draw on this? Look at this. Hi. This is awesome. It'd be great for doodling. Won't work with the regular finger touch. Will it work with this? Yeah. This thing's looking really good so far. Really, like, I bet I could toss this like a paper. I bet if I could somehow fold this like a paper plate, it'd actually fly. Although I definitely wouldn't do it with this sort of thing. This is revolutionary. You can't draw on this side, most likely it's for the computer. Here is a drawing glove, at least I'm pretty sure it is. This thing feels really weird on my hand. So it looks like of that one, I think it's a Batman. Yeah, it looks like of that one Batman bad guy. The guy with the half face. Except it's really a tan. Look at it. So it does make drawing a good bit more comfortable. Huh, what's this button for? I wonder. Anyway, so we got a whole bunch of other stuff to unpack. It's just this. What is this? Most likely. This what I think it is? Oh yes, it's a little wipe. The next episode of The Wipe. I really wish I could cut that out of the video. But still, this is like a live video. I can't cut anything. The thing's in fine condition. You can see some fingerprints, but you know that's normal. And stuff like the Nintendo Switch and all that. Here's a little pen holder. What did I just do? Did I break it already? Put it back in. Oh, it's one of them removable things. Oh, that's awesome. That is amazing. This thing is just amazing. There's so much stuff you can do. Also, sorry if my voice is bad. I've been sick for a good while now. Approximately 1 week at max. Here's the little tiny instruction manual, which is really cute. Always love them types of instruction manuals. Here's the charger and the HDMI, and here is the USB ports. The little USB ports that come with them to make sure they match your computer or something like that. And yeah, this is basically all that's packed in there. Let me just check. Ordered this gross piece of green tape that only I can see. This thing's in rather great condition. No cracks, very few fingerprints, and a little part right here where you can draw. Yeah. So anyway, today has been a great day. And honestly, I've had a good time. But, I mean, all good things have to come to an end eventually. But sometimes they start back up. Like today. Today, I might have the time, if I do, to do a part 2 today. So anyway, see ya!